Hey y'all, it's Danielle for Rosetta Vera. I'm back today with a subscription opening. This is Echo Park's Cardmaker subscription because I forgot to cancel it on time. So I actually got their fall edition too. You may recall, if you followed me a while, that I opened their summer pack. So let's get into it. I haven't even looked at it, I just opened the package. So this is the August 2022 Cardmaker kit. It's called Fall Fever. So of course it's our standard autumn colors. This is just, sorry, I was eating Doritos. This is just an example of a card you can make using the items from the kit. So, they pretty much give you like ephemera stamps and the paper, and you can kind of go crazy from there. So let's look at what we get. And I'll put that there. So the first thing here is the ephemera. You get a package of 34 die cut cardstock pieces. I'm seeing pumpkins and apples. Let's see if I can take this out a little bit. So you can, okay, you're kind of stuck in here. You can easily get started with these die cuts. I, usually just put a little adhesive on the back of them. You can also build them up with, your adhesive that's a little, why am I brain going blank on what they're called? There's some that have a little foam in them, so you can kind of make a 3D effect. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So this is like a 2-piece die cut. So like I said, it's very fall color themed. It's your pumpkin spice season. So you got a lot of reds and browns and oranges. This is very, very autumn themed. Part of the reason I said I normally wouldn't buy a kit like this, because I think it's kind of limiting, because it's so obviously themed to a particular time of year. So you're seeing, what's this, like rain boots and scarves, leaves are falling, autumn is calling. It's not Halloween, definitely not Halloween. I would probably say a little bit of Thanksgiving kind of feeling also. But yeah, I think sometimes these can be a little limiting because they're so obviously geared towards fall. That doesn't mean you couldn't use these colors other times of year, especially if you're making a card for someone who happens to like these colors. So like So Very Grateful today could be used for a thank you card versus a Thanksgiving card. So some of these you have to kind of play with if you want to use them outside of fall crafting. Like Love You Pumpkin could be used for, a friend, a kid, your partner. So those are all the die cuts in that pack. Next, you have your set of acrylic stamps. So I see So Very Grateful Today, You're the Apple of My Eye, Home is Wherever I'm With You, Blessings, Baked with Love, and what's that, Happy Fall, and Gather Together. So this, you have a little more flexibility, because with the exception of Happy Fall, these sentiments could be used any time of year. And you can use the apple for other things. You can use the branch in winter greetings. Instead of making these leaves brown, you can make them green and use them for spring and summer crafts. So there's a little more flexibility here. And then finally, we have our 6x6 paper pad where you get 24 double-sided papers. Again, the theme is Fall Fever. Let me show you the pages. Where is my scissors? So we have 24 double-sided papers. They're probably going to be 12 patterns that are just going to repeat. You know, let me turn this the other way so you can see some of this the right way. So you're seeing a lot of fall leafy patterns. She has some pumpkins there. Autumn leaves, a smile on my face. Just cozy vibes, happy harvest. So again, fall fever is definitely the theme of these pages. I think we're starting over now. Yeah. So if you do a lot of cards for fall, you'll really like the colors and patterns because they're definitely very, very fall centric. Like I said, I got this kit in because I completely forgot to cancel my subscription, and once they bill you, you can't cancel. Just something to keep in mind. Paid for it and just told them I'd like to cancel for the next time around because that'll probably be their winter edition. I don't have a problem with the quality. Echo Park always has nice quality, but like I said, I normally don't buy things that are very, very thematic because to me it kind of limits what I can make with them. So that's everything in the Fall Fever Cardmakers kit. I'll put the price I paid for this somewhere in the video. Echo Park also does a larger subscription kit that does like 12 by 12 paper and has a lot more in it. So I'll put the links for both below if you're interested in, you know, checking out Echo Park's subscription kits. What I really like to take advantage of with Echo Park is their mystery box that they do a couple of times a year, where it's like $50 and you get a whole bunch of stuff. I think those are really nice to get a handle on. I missed the last one, but they should be coming up again. But other than that, that's everything for the August 2022 Cardmakers Kit for Echo Park. As always, thank you for spending time with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.